First, download the Hicycle app from the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code in the user manual, then install and open it on your device. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then open the Hicycle app. Create an account and log into the app. After logging in, tap Scan in the app. Then, turn on your bike. Hold the power button for 1 second to turn on the display. Navigate to Bluetooth and open the QR code screen. Use the app to scan the QR code on the display to connect your bike instantly. A pairing request will appear on your phone. Enter the default password 880000. Do not operate the display during this step. Then allow the notification access request. Alternatively, after turning on your bike, you can complete the connection directly in the Hicycle app without operating the display. Tap Search to go to the Bind My Bike page, find your bike, and tap to connect. A pairing request will appear on your phone. Enter the default password 880000. Do not operate the display during this step. Then allow the notification access request. After a successful connection, both the phone and the display switch at the same time, instantly. When the Bluetooth icon lights up blue, the bike is already connected to a device. Tap the arrow icon in the app to open the navigation interface. Enter your destination and begin your ride. Your display will immediately show real-time speed, distance, and estimated arrival time. Turn-by-turn directions appear clearly as you ride. If you need to unbind the bike, tap the model name in the top left corner of the app to view all bikes connected to your phone. Select the bike you want to unbind. Tap Unbind, then confirm to unbind the bike. Then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, find the device again, and tap Forget this device to complete the unbinding process.